Hey, what is up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the Anzo Switchback Projector Headlights on our 2015 GMC Denali. These absolutely sick Anzo headlights require no drilling at all and has a simple plug and play installation. Now this might take an hour or two to install, but it's pretty simple. The tools you'll be needing to install this awesome product is a socket wrench, a socket extension, metric sockets, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a panel clip tool. And inside the box you will get two Anzo Switchback Projector Headlights and all the hardware needed to install. Now let's get started. First off, if you have anything obstructing your install that is connected to the front of the truck, you want to remove that, such as our snowplow and our grill cover. Now it is time to remove our cover panel. Remove the push fasteners with a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver on your radiator cover panel. Carefully remove your radiator cover panel and set aside. Remove the bolts securing the grill into place with a socket wrench. Now carefully take off your grill and set it aside. Remove the lower headlight trim bolt located in front of the lower headlight trim. Then you're going to want to remove the front few bolts of your fender flares using a socket wrench. This is going to give you access to removing the lower headlight trim. Take out the lower headlight trim gently and set aside. This may take a few pulls to get it out. Now we're going to be removing the headlight. Unscrew the two bolts being shown located under your headlight. Then unscrew two more bolts located on top of the headlight. Then carefully pull out the headlight. Disconnect the two wires connected to the headlight, like shown. Then disconnect the electrical connector from the headlights. This will disconnect the headlight completely from the truck, so don't let it drop. Remove the headlight and set it aside. Grab one Anzo Switchback Projector Headlight, line up with truck and connect the electrical connector only. Those two other wires you disconnected earlier, you can just put them aside. Test out your new Anzo headlight to make sure it works. Running, flashers, turn signals, you got it. Tighten the 4 headlight bolts securing the headlight into place. Now you're going to want to repeat all those steps you just did on the other headlight. Don't worry though, you're halfway done. Now test if both Anzo Switchback Projector Headlights work. And now it's time to put everything back together the same way you took it out. Don't forget to tighten all the bolts. And now your install is complete. The Anzo Switchback Projector Headlights come in black or chrome to fit your exact style. Designed to fit your exact year, make and model, and they're 100% street legal. There is no drilling and has a simple plug-and-play installation. Anzo also offers a full 1-year warranty and it is sold in pairs. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and follow along for some more awesome products.